Friends, welcoming you today's math class. I think all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. And today I will take algebraic math from exercise 5.1. I am teacher from sector 4 branch. Thank you very much. Okay, dear student, now we will do the addition of 3e from exercise 5.1. You can see the math here. 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 1 by x square minus 4x plus 3 plus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 4. So according to the rules of addition, first we have to do the LCM, but before doing the LCM we have to split or break out the factors. So easily you can understand this is a middle factor, first one, second term also middle factor, and third term also middle factor. So one by one we will split the factor by using middle term, then we will do the LCM, then we can do the addition. Okay, first x square minus 3x plus 2. So if we break down this factors by using middle term, so there is 2, here is 1, coefficient is 1, so 2 1s are 2, so 2 is a prime number, so only it's have 2 factors, 2 1s are 2, so x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 plus here also 3 1s are 3, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 plus here is 4, so but here is 5 in the middle, so 4 1s are 4, x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. We have learned how to solve middle term in exercise 4.3. Now we will take common from the first two term. What is common here? Here is common x. Now what is remaining? X minus 2, and here is minus x plus 2 will take common, sorry, here will be minus 1, so x minus 2 plus from the first two term we will take common x, so x minus 3. Here is nothing common, that means minus 1 common, so x minus 3 plus first two term will get common x, so x minus 4 minus 1 x minus 4. If we follow here, x minus 2 is common from this two term, so x minus 2 common, and what is remaining here? X and minus 1, x minus 1 plus here also same method, x minus 3 and x minus 3 common, so we will take x minus 3, then x and minus 1 is remaining here. Similarly here also x minus 4 and x minus 4 common, so we will take common x minus 4 and x and minus 1 is remaining here. Now the second step, now we will do the LCM of the denominators of first, second and third term. So first we will draw a line. So according to the LCM rules, so the common one will take only one time, so x minus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 1. X minus 1 is 3 times here, so we will take only one time. Now x minus 2, only x minus 2 is one time here, so we will write x minus 2 and x minus 3 and x minus 4. This is the LCM. We are going to do the addition. Okay, so now we will divide this four product by this two product. So if we divided x minus 1, x minus 2 by this factors, what will get? So there is another easy rule. What will write here? x minus 2 and x minus 1. So x minus 2 and x minus 1. So what is remaining here? X minus 3 and x minus 4. So x minus 3 and x minus 4 will be multiplied by this 1. X minus 3 and x minus 4. Then plus sign again. X minus 3 and x minus 1 is here. So x minus 3 and x minus 1. X minus 3 and x minus 1. So what is remaining here? X minus 2 and x minus 4. X minus 2 and x minus 4. Similarly, x minus 4 and x minus 1 is here. X minus 4, that means this one x minus 4 and x minus 1. This one x minus 1. What is remaining here? X minus 2 and x minus 3. So x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now we will multiply it. First we will do the multiply x minus 3 and x minus 4, then x minus 2, x minus 4, then again x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay, if we first I will write the LCM. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4. Then we will multiply this 2 1, x minus 3 and x minus 4. So x multiply x square, x and minus 4 minus 4x, minus 3 and x minus 3x, and minus 3 and minus 4 plus 12, plus x square, then x and minus 4 minus 4x, minus 2 and x minus 2x, minus 2 and minus 4 plus 8. Similarly, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Now we will do the calculation. How many x square here? How many x square here? We can see here is x square and x square. That means 3x square here. And then x, how many x is here? Minus 4x minus 3x minus 4x minus 2x minus 3x minus 2x. If we add all x, we will get minus 18x. Now plus 12 plus 8 and plus 6. If we add 12, 8 and 6, we will get plus 26. Then I will write x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4. This is the answer of 3E. Okay student, now we will solve subtraction from exercise 5.1 number 4D. We can see the math: a square plus 16b square, a square minus 16b square, minus a minus 4b, a plus 4b. First of all, we will write a square plus 16b square, and we can write 16b square, we can write 4b square, a square minus 4b whole square. We can write minus a minus 4b, a plus 4b. So student, we know there is a formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square, we can use this formula here. So a square plus 16b square. So a square minus b square, that means a plus 4b and a minus 4b, and this minus sign, a minus 4b and a plus 4b. Now we will do the LCM. So what is the LCM? A plus 4b and a plus 4b common. So we will write a plus 4b and a minus 4b is remain here. So if we divided a plus 4b into a minus 4b by this one, we will get 1. That means that is match. Okay, so I will write a square plus 16b square minus, if we divided this 2 by this one, we'll get a minus 4b. That means only match, if we match a plus 4b with a plus 4b, we'll get only a minus 4b, that is remain. Okay, so first I will write this a minus 4b, a minus 4b. Now I will write here a minus 4b. Okay student, now we will multiply this to 1. So a square plus 16b square, and here is minus sign, so we'll give minus sign and we'll write the answer of these two product in the second bracket. Okay, so a and a, if we multiply, we'll get a square. A and minus 4b will get minus 4ab. Again minus 4b and a, minus 4ab, and if you multiply minus 4b into minus 4b, will get plus 16b square, 16b square, and then we will write the LCM, a plus 4b and a minus 4b. The second step is we'll write this one without the bracket, a square plus 16b square. Since here is minus sign, so we have to multiply the sign. There here is plus sign, here is minus sign, so it will be minus a square, and minus minus plus. If you multiply minus minus, we'll get plus 4ab. Similarly here is minus 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 plus 4ab, and here is plus 16b square, so plus and minus if you multiply, we'll get minus 16b square. Then we'll write a plus 4b and a minus 4b, the LCM. Now we will do the calculation. Student, if we you can see here a square is plus sign holder and this a square is minus sign holder, so we can cut it, and 16b square is plus sign holder and 16b square is minus sign holder, so we can cut it also, and only 4ab and 4ab is remaining. So if we add 4ab and 4ab, we'll get 8ab and a plus 4b, and here is a minus 4b, and this is the answer of 4D. Okay student, now we will solve simplification 5C from your textbook. So simplification, that means addition and subtraction mixed. We can see here plus sign, it may be plus minus or minus plus or all minus sign or all plus sign, it may mixed. Okay, so first we will do the LCM. Student, you can see here is x minus y, here is x minus y. So first I will write x minus y, and then y minus z, 1 y minus z. So for 2 y minus z, we will write 1 y minus z, and here is z minus x, here is z minus x. For 2 z minus x, we will write 1 z minus x. This is the LCM of the denominator. Now x minus y and y minus z is common here, so z minus x is remaining, so we will write y and z minus x plus z minus x and x minus y, z minus x and x minus y. So y minus z is remaining, so we will write x into y minus z. Now plus sign, this z will be here. Now y minus z and z minus x, so y minus z and z minus x, x minus y is remaining here, x minus y. Now we will multiply this 3 term. If we multiply y and z, we will get zy plus minus minus x and y. If we multiply, we will get xy plus x and y, will write xy then plus minus minus xz, plus if we multiply z and x we'll get xz, then if we multiply z and y and plus minus minus z and y zy, then we'll write the LCM x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. Student, we can see zy plus sign and zy minus sign, so we can cut these two zy, and xy minus sign and xy plus sign, we can cut also these two xy, and xz minus sign and xz plus sign, so you can cut. So nothing is here, so student, we can now write nothing is here, so we can write 0, x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. So answer is actually 0. That is the answer of 5C. Okay student, now we will solve another math. It also simplification, 5 number D. So you can see here plus and minus, these two operation is mixed here. Okay, first we will solve x square minus 9 square, we will break down it, then we will solve LCM, then we can do the math. Okay, 1 by, first I will write 1 by x plus 3y plus 1 by x minus 3y minus 2x, x square minus 9y square, we can write 3y whole square. Okay, 1 by x plus 3y plus 1 by x minus 3y minus 2x, and we will apply here a square minus b square formula, that means x plus 3y and x minus 3y. Now we will do the LCM. So student, we can see here x plus 3y is 2 times here, so we will write 1 time, and another one x minus 3y also 2 times here, so we will write here x minus 3y. Okay, so according to the rules of simplification, so first we will divide this two product by this product, so x plus 3y and x minus 3y, if I divided by x plus 3y we will get x minus 3y, so we will write here x minus 3y plus, here is x minus 3y, if we divided x plus 3y into x minus 3y by x minus 3y, we will get x plus 3y minus, if we divided x plus 3y into x minus 3y by this 2 1, that means this 2 1 is same, so if we divided this 2 we will get 1, so we will write 2x. Now we add it, x plus x, 2x minus 3y plus 3y minus 2x. Now x plus 3y, x minus 3y. Student, you can see that 2x is plus sign here and 2x is minus sign here, so we can cut this 2 1, and here also 3y minus sign holder and 3y plus sign holder, so we can also cut it. So what is remain here? 0. 0 by x plus 3y and x minus 3y, so answer will be 0. Dear students, I think you enjoyed today's algebraic math class. By using today's class method, please do the homework. If you feel any problem in maths, you can write comment in the comment box. See you again in the next class. Thank you.